Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse and today I am going to have a play. We had a beautiful sunrise this morning and posted a picture on the acrylic pouring for fun group about the stunningness of that sunrise, and so I'm gonna have a play. I'm gonna see what I can create with colour. As you do. Sunrise, sunrise, sunrise. So one of the things that a sunrise has is bright white, and then it has some golden yellow, and then a few strands of white running out from that, and then you start to see a bit of blue sky, this light blue with the bright colours. And then you start to get some orange. Now these colours have been mixed for a very long time. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that. And then the blue starts to get a little bit darker. And the red starts to get a little bit redder. Oops. Oops, we're out of that one. Let's go. What have we got in here? I'm emptying pots, can you tell? And I'm being a bit messy. I just had a real massive flop of a painting and I was really not impressed with it. And then there's even some sparkles in the sky. So let's put some gold in there as well. And then the blue gets even darker. You can tell I'm telling a story. The story. And the pink gets even crazier. That's very thick. And the universe goes, here, have some cool colours. Just like that. And how does it get any more exciting than that? You had no idea what it was going to come out like. Just like when you wake up in the morning, you have no idea what the day is going to be like. You have no idea whether it's going to be a sunny day. Oh, you might have an idea whether it's going to rain or not, but you know, you don't know whether you're going to have a beautiful sunrise or whether you're going to have just some random stuff happen. And lots of brown being created. Alright. There's some interesting things going on in there. We've got a bit of a whirlpool with a splop, which reminds me a bit of a blue Rotorua mud pool. Not the Rotorua mud pools are blue, but you've got some smears, you've got some swirls, you've got some cells, you've got some interesting. I like it better than the last one. I threw that one away and I'm not even going to show you the video. Which is very unlike me. Normally, I show you everything I do. I got so frustrated with it. I was like, what on earth? Oh, I just realized. I never asked. Who does this belong to? It's that energy of frustration and rah, nothing's going right. Have you ever had that in your world? You're like, what's going on? Why am I feeling like this? Ask, who does this belong to? It is one of the cool questions from Access Consciousness. And if it lightens up at all when you ask that question, who does it belong to? It's not yours. You're buying it. You're perceiving it. It's not yours. So, how does it get any better than that? So, I'm just gonna get a bit more gas into my gas tank so we can go again. That's better. Now I really like this, and I'm also seeing a bit of that still in here. Okay. There we go. How does it get any better than this? This is fun. Have you ever had a painting look totally nothing like what you hoped it to look like, but you had fun doing it? That's what's happening right now, guys. Alright. There's a lot of paint on this record. So what I'm doing now is just asking it to spread out a bit, since I blew it all around like a madwoman. Don't think I needed to worry about colour coming through on this one because it's so dark. Alright, now that I've kind of evened it off a bit and got most of the edges, what I was finding was the edges were starting to get a bit muddy. There we go. The last of the muddy edges have been eradicated. And now it is time for our flame to go to work. I really like this one. I'm so glad I persisted. Not many cells. There's a few little ones. But there's some very cool, wispy, intertwiny coloured bits that I really like. I like that. It's like a sea of colour that you could just dive into. Let me get it down and show you. Because I really like it. It's nothing like I'd planned. But I really like it. Now, I don't think I can get this to do the colours it really is. This is crimson red. It is not puce pink, but that's okay. My phone is my gift to me. But look at all these cool blendings of colours. I like it. As I said, there's a few little cells. I really like this patch down here. That's cool. Are you willing to be you and change the world? Pick up a straw, blow it, throw it around a bit, and repeat. Add more paint and repeat. Do a little dance, make a little love, have fun tonight. Okay, let's wait and see how this dries. I will capture it in the daylight once it's dry so that you guys... Oh, it blows out quite badly. Sorry about that. So that you guys can get a real sense of the colours. But I like it. I like this bit down here too. Check that out. Isn't that cool? I like it a lot. And I'm glad I persisted. Doesn't look like a sunrise to me, but that's okay. How does it get any better? We could call this one Sunrise Gone Wrong. Very, very wrong. I adore you all. I'll see you once it's dry. Bye. Alright, so here it is. Nice and happily dried. Bright and breezy. I like it. I like this one a lot. There's some gold sticking out there. I really like that top bit. It's kind of like whoosh. There's a couple of quite deep holes in it, but that's okay. It's all good. I like it. I like it a lot. It was pretty thick when I started, so I'm not surprised that there's some shape to it. So if we see if I can get it to go. Some texture on there, but that is, as I say, from how thick the paint was, and it was quite textured when it... So, I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Check out that. So, once again, keep mushing it till it works. How does it get any better than that? I adore you all. Come have some fun with us on acrylic pouring for fun. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notified if I go live and stuff like that. And what else is possible? How much more fun can we have? How much more fun can you have in all areas of your life? I adore you. Bye bye.